Hey, guys, today was, or how to solve a WhatsApp call unavailable problem. So in the key that you are trying to call a person, but the call is being unavailable. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this problem step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so one of the quick fixes that we could actually do to solve this problem is to double check our internet connection. So you gotta check your Wi-Fi connection. If you have a stable connection with your Wi-Fi, you can also go ahead and contact your internet service provider and see if they are experiencing some issues with your local network. And you could also try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is gonna work better for you. Now, the last thing they've got also do in order for us to fix this issue is to disable the data saver mode. If you do have data saver mode turned on, you might experience some camping on your data, which is not giving you the full experience or the full capacity of your data. So you could actually go into app on your settings and tap on cellular. Now scroll down until you see your cellular data settings, and it could actually proceed with choosing your preferred data line, or you could also go ahead and tap on your cellular data SIM card and see if you can actually change and turn off the low data mode. If you do have this turned on, of course, it might cap your usage of data and give you automatic updates, and other tasks will basically be paused. And this might affect as well your calling with WhatsApp. Now, one more fix you could actually do to solve this issue is to restart our device. So go ahead and try to restart your device. And once that is done, that should solve your issue. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.